today I am here to create a makeup look for Onam, and you can also create this look for other festivals as well. Also, if you're new here, please subscribe to our channel now and also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook. The links will be in the description box below. So yeah, if you're interested, keep on watching. I'm gonna start off with moisturizing my face. So firstly I'm gonna use the Patanjali aloe vera gel. So it's very important to moisturize your face. If you do not moisturize your face is gonna look very cakey once you apply your makeup. So make sure you moisturize your face really well before your makeup. So next up I'm going to use a sunscreen. This is the Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Bio Sandalwood Sunscreen. This has 50 SPF. So it's very necessary to use a sunscreen. Even if you are at home, like in daytime, you need to apply some sunscreen under your makeup. So next I'm gonna take the Mamaearth Oil Free Face Moisturizer. So whatever you apply to your face, make sure you're taking it down to your neck as well. And apply your moisturizer and makeup very gently on your face because it's your face and you need to take care of it. So I've moisturized my face thoroughly. Now I'm gonna move on to priming. So I'm gonna use the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. I'm gonna take the tiniest bit and just apply it on the areas where I have pores. So next up I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Whenever I think of like festival looks, I don't know why, but I always think of a very natural makeup look, and that is what I go for every time. So I'm just gonna use concealer and not foundation because I want my makeup to look very natural. And then I'm gonna use my beauty sponge to blend it all together. Also recently I'm loving using talcum powder as a loose powder. I don't know why. I'm using the Johnson's Baby powder. I've been using this since like a week and I'm loving how it looks. It looks very natural. I am using the Palladio matte bronzer. I'm gonna and dust off everything, literally everything, and then very lightly just to add in some color because this looks very flat, right, this side of my face. So when I add some bronzer or when I contour, it will give me a little bit of dimension and color to my face. So as I have a very small forehead, I'm not gonna completely contour my face because I don't want it to look even more shorter. So I'm just making a 3 like this. I'll be looking down because I have my mirror over here and it's easier to do your makeup with your mirror and not the camera. So I am gonna take this transition shade and apply it on my crease very lightly. Then I'm gonna take this dark brown shade and apply it on the outer corner. take the same dark brown color. So I have very tiny eyes, so I do not apply kajal because kajal makes your eye look even more smaller. I took the transition shade and I'm just blending these two colors together. So I'm gonna apply some mascara and do this eye off camera, and I'll be back in some time. So I'm back with both of my eyes complete, and I love how this turned out. It looks really pretty. So I applied some mascara. I used the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara, and I also used the Miss Claire Glimmer Stick in the shade Silky Silver and applied it in my waterline. So yeah, this is the whole eye look complete, and now I'm gonna go back and do the rest of my face because my eye makeup is a little smoky and very pretty. I am not gonna add like a lot of blush. I'm just gonna apply it over here so that it gives that pulled up look, and not a lot on my cheek. I'm just gonna flick a little on my cheek and rest on the sides of my cheek. I'm gonna use these three shades. I'm just gonna run my brush through these three shades, tap off the excess and apply it on my cheek. I apply highlighter on my cheek as well because it looks very pretty on pictures. So I am definitely gonna click a lot of pictures once I'm done with this makeup look. So also guys, we'll be posting this video on 30th, and it is going to be my sister's birthday. So I'll be more than happy if you all wish her a very happy birthday in the comment section. So please do that. Because of lockdown, we literally do not have anything to do for her, and it's very saddening because all our birthdays are always celebrated like so nicely. We are very blessed to have such amazing parents who never let us down and always keep on surprising us on our birthdays. Our birthdays have always been very special, so thanks to our mom and dad. But this year, unfortunately, we won't be able to do a lot for my sister. Also, Nidhi Chechi is a person who finds happiness in the smallest things. So if you're just wish her just text her happy birthday, or just write a comment wishing her happy birthday, she'll be more than happy. She needs nothing else. We literally have not planned anything for her birthday, and I feel so bad because it's Nidhi Chechi and we haven't. So I am just hoping that this lockdown ends really quickly and Corona goes away, and we start enjoying our life and go back to our normal life really soon. So yeah, only then we'll be able to celebrate her birthday really nicely, So we're just hoping that everything goes back to normal. So now that I'm done with my face, the last step that is left is lipstick. Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. Soft Matte Lip Cream. Very nice! So I'm gonna apply the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 63. The shade in itself is so pretty. Next up, I'm gonna go with the Maybelline Matte Ink lipstick in the shade 60 Poet. I'm just gonna apply this on the centers of my lip. So I'm gonna wear the normal bindi that I wear like on everyday basis, but y'all can go ahead and wear like the bigger bindi, or if you wanna go like without bindi you can do that also. But I'm gonna wear this, and I am loving how this makeup look turned out.